So in this project, we've developed a new measurement instrument called the TeraSolve. And the TeraSolve is an instrument that allows us to measure the porosity of pharmaceutical tablets using terahertz radiation. By measuring the porosity of a tablet, it is possible to predict the dissolution and disintegration behavior. This technology has the potential to transform the way the pharmaceutical industry is implementing quality testing during production. Thus has the potential to transform the quality of medicines for all of us.
At the heart of the system is the Terahertz engine. TeraView has developed this latest generation Terahertz engine specifically for industrial applications. With a modular design, it has a compact footprint and reduced weight. Active temperature stability ensures full functionality in a wide range of in-production environments. In addition to this, we have developed a bespoke software suite for real-time prediction of tablet dissolution and disintegration properties. It can be interfaced with the likes of SIPAT and PCA analysis packages for further examination of the tableting process. The system shown here is standalone with a manually loaded tablet handler. This can be adapted to allow automated feeding with the aim of introducing the system in-line into production lines and continuous manufacturing lines.
The Terahertz technology is to be integrated into an at-line test system. A sample batch of product can be diverted to the feed system dedicated to the analyzer. Each tablet will take approximately 1 second for the analysis, providing rapid feedback into the process control. Research is currently being undertaken to assess whether in-die readings can be taken on a tablet compaction simulator.
This project has been a collaboration between us at the University of Cambridge, TeraView, Huxley, Bertram and GSK.